So hello guys, welcome back to the new video of Tech Yorker. In this video, I will guide you with how you can fix cleanup not showing on iPhone. As you can see, there is a cleanup option right here. You can use this option to remove unwanted objects from your photos. But many users have complained that cleanup is not available on their iPhone. So how to fix this issue? So first of all, this option is only available for iPhone 15 Pro, 15 Pro Max and the latest iPhone 16 and 16 Pro series. And if you have any older iPhone, then you will not see the cleanup option. In case if you have the latest iPhone, then make sure it has the latest iOS update. The cleanup option came with iOS 18.1 update. So make sure your iPhone is on the latest version to use this feature. For this, open the settings app on your iPhone. Now here tap on General and then tap on Software Update. Now here install the latest update available. After this go back again. Now here scroll down and tap on Apple Intelligence and Siri. Now here tap on Language and set it to English US. Now here go back and enable Apple Intelligence. Now once you do this, you should see the cleanup option in the Photos app. So I hope you find this video useful. And if you do, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel.